The 2025 Toyota Sienna has officially arrived, and it's here to shatter every outdated notion about what a family minivan can be. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a reimagination of family life on wheels. Toyota has taken the practicality of a minivan and infused it with style, innovation, and performance, making the Sienna a true standout in its class. From the outside, the Sienna looks nothing like the boring minivans of the past. A sculpted grille, sleek body lines, and the option for 20-inch alloy wheels give it a sophisticated, upscale vibe. Chrome accents add a touch of elegance, while standard LED headlights ensure safety with a dose of modern flair. This isn't just a minivan, it's a family vehicle that demands attention wherever it goes. But the magic really happens once you step inside. Think of the cabin as your family's mobile sanctuary. Electronic sliding doors and a hands-free liftgate make everyday tasks, like loading groceries or packing sports gear, completely hassle-free. Inside, premium materials and clever storage solutions elevate the experience. Need room for everyone and everything? The spacious interior has you covered, while a panoramic sunroof fills the space with natural light, making it the perfect environment for road trips and quick runs alike. Performance is another area where the Sienna excels. Powered by a hybrid system combining a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor, it delivers 245 horsepower while achieving an impressive 36 miles per gallon. Whether it's city errands or a family road trip, you'll appreciate its smooth, quiet ride and all-weather confidence, thanks to the available all-wheel drive system. Starting at around $40,000, the Sienna offers incredible value for its class. For those who want a little extra luxury, upper trims include features like leather seats, upgraded entertainment systems, and advanced safety tech. Whether you go for the base model or a fully loaded trim, you're getting a vehicle designed to make family life easier and more enjoyable. The 2025 Toyota Sienna isn't just a minivan, it's a game changer. Stylish, efficient, and packed with family-friendly features, it's proof that you can have it all in one package. So, if you're ready to rethink what a minivan can be, the Sienna might just be your perfect match.